Hi, welcome to the Frequently Asked Questions. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic and Massage. And one of the questions that I'll get is, how do I find the right chiropractor for me? Right chiropractors, there are so many great docs out there in what they do, whether it's their technique, skill level, communication, their effectiveness in care. Finding the right doc, I think when you go in and you're looking for that, I think you as a consumer are savvy enough and have the internet to see what patients are saying about people, the chiropractors in the area, online now. While you can jump online and you get at least a one-side perspective of the patient's satisfaction in the office, to see how they're serving their patients. But to say that finding the right chiropractor is really for you to go in and have the consultation, the evaluation, and treatment with the doctor and see if it's the right fit for you. I think you need to trust your own guidance and intuition and see if it feels right and the treatment's responding to you and your body. So I think leaning into that a little bit more would be a good way for finding the right chiropractor. You know, not only do you do your research online using Google reviews or other communications and then scouring their website, or just simply talking to your neighbor and ask who they use. But also when you go in, it's that initial visit and how does that provider make you feel and how do they best serve you? I mean, there's so many different angles you can look at from there, but I think if the chiropractor, you find that there's a few things, you can tell they have a skill level, their communication and communicating with you, as well as their effectiveness in the treatment, are really good things. And I think that comes about when you start to feel a level of trust with that individual in there and can have that open dialogue communication with the providers. So finding the right chiropractor, while it's a unique and special thing for each individual, I think you can explore those options when you make your visit to just like any other provider in there. And the biggest thing is to have open communication with the provider. If you don't feel satisfied in the treatment or wasn't quite enough, mention it to the chiropractor if they can recheck an area, which we train our doctors to, if just in case we didn't address or spend enough time or address a certain area in a visit, to readdress that before you leave. I will say sometimes it just takes time to heal, but guys, it's really up to you to have that communication back and open with us while we're good. We're also not mind readers that we do ask that question and to invoke conversation, communication, and to take better care of you before you leave. So I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic, and I hope this answered a little bit of how do I find the right chiropractor for me. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.